Hey everyone, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how we duplicate layers in Photoshop. It's really simple, and there are several ways to do it. The first way is with the mouse itself. You just click once and drag, right? Click and drag to the bottom right corner to a little icon, a little plus sign. It's the second button there in the bottom right corner. So just drop it on top of that icon and we'll have our duplicated layer. I'm going to hit Control Z so we can see a second way, which is also very simple. Just right-click on the name of the layer or around it, and here in the third option, you'll see Duplicate Layer. This way, we can give our new layer a name, right? I'll click OK, and then we'll have this copy. The next option, with the layer selected, is to go to the top corner in the Layer tab, and here we also have the Duplicate Layer option, which also lets you name it. I'll click OK. So that's one more way. And the last two ways are much simpler, right? In fact, these are the ones I use in my day-to-day work. One of them is by using the shortcut Control J, right? And then we can duplicate not just one layer, but more than one. So if I press Control J, if I want to duplicate both, I can select them with Shift, right? Click one with Shift, click the last one, and then press Control J as well. So now we'll have four layers, right? And the other way, which is the last one, is simply to hold down Alt on the keyboard and click and drag either up or down. Okay? You'll see a little blue line. When you let go at a click and release Alt, you'll have a copy. So just hold Alt, click and drag, and release Alt. So those are the 5 ways to duplicate a layer in Photoshop. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next classes. Thank you very much.